Okay, continuing in the video of the mounting of the winch. I was over at a friend of mine's place today, and he did up this piece of 5/8 inch solid bar. It took us about 8 minutes or so to do that. That one, doing it here at the house with a propane torch, and it's not as nicely bent, but that took me about an hour and a half to bend around using a propane torch. The actual mounting plate for the winch that bolts into these 4 holes, I tacked the bolts in place because I'm going to be taking a piece of this flat bar, which is about 3/16, and I'm going to be cutting a piece off of here and making another one that's about the same. I'll go from here to here, and I'll go back to a cross piece underneath the engine. And that's what these holes are for here. And I'm going to be taking a piece of this. That's why I kept those pieces cut out, matching them somehow onto here, because there was a roller that fits on this plate. And I'll be mounting, making a bracket so I can mount big floodlight on the front of the car. And more videos to come.